Yeah, welcome to Alter Ego 2.4. Sit back. Damn, just fucking kush. Hey, sit back and listen to this shit. This shit's about to knock your fucking head off.
Cut past that shit,
hey,
nigga.
Here. Hey, that. What the fuck? Hey, what'd you give me, G-Mac? God damn. This tastes like hash. Man, sit back. Go get your bitch, slit her wrist, take her fucking head off. Fuck you, and fuck your mom.
It is hash.
Here's this guy going around picking off these kids.
I can imagine how other parents, even if your kid's gone for an hour, I can imagine how they must feel.
You know, that's probably one of the last things that you ever think about, that somebody would take your daughter.
It seemed like everywhere I went, there were people out in the woods looking for that little girl.
It's no question if we were going to find her. We definitely were going to find her.
I'm thinking, we'll find her. I just wanna have her forever. Just me and her.
I'm looking for my knife. I found it. Demonstrate, penetrate, rape victims. I got 8 victims. Hey children, it's me. Don't make a sound or you'll get the blade, children. Kidnap you out your bedroom, taking them to the AIDS building. I know, I'm sick like regurgitation. I creep to the midnight, sneak in, beginning in. Hey, hold on. I take the mask off and hit the sherm, sticking it out, get about 6, then spit it out, Mr. Invisible, aka Mr. AP, straight to your living room window when they can't get away. Try to run, got the gun aimed at your 8-year-old, dig a hole, lay him in the grave. Schizo, Nico, played at 38. Cheddar cheese, break these niggas up, bringing this heat wave. He say I got rid of the body, but I hit the body in this briefcase.
The more that he pled and begged and screamed, the better he felt about himself.
And he compounded his excitement later. Sex with the victim before the crime wasn't enough.
I'm sitting in my bedroom, looking out my window, hand on my knife, feeling like a murder info. In all black conversations with the devil, him and his girlfriend. I told his girlfriend, hello. Red rum, murder, it's all a nigga. Heard up, catch a nigga, slipping my butterflies, perfect. One down and a million to go. Look in my eyes before I take your soul.
Hey, this my second verse, hold on. All these niggas listening, waiting for my new album to drop. Get to slit your wrist and things. Dig a hole, put the whole clip in them, giving them a C-section. Re-skinning them, rip it out of them in these gentlemen. And hit a nigga with the 50 knees bending. And 40 cal up my sleeve, picturing me sneaking over the gate to your backyard, missing for weeks. Your Pendleton full of butterfly knife pieces in the ring. Your nieces and nephews collect to seduce them. Yes, it was gruesome, nigga. That's why they call it sick made. Lynch changed it, now made sick music is dancing all on your furniture. And we throwing up the main signs, 24 stepping with our furniture. And I'll ride by you, take it back out with the fishing wire. Climbing the bed with your wife full of ice pick out. Her family couldn't find her. Your family wouldn't find you. That's why I like plastic wrapping. Finna get at him with the acid magnum, attach it to his back, laughing at him. He's gagging off the glass particles, and it's hard to go back and look at that after it's done. Turn my microphone off.
Sitting in my bedroom, looking out my window, hand on my knife, feeling like a murder info. In all black conversations with the devil, him and his girlfriend. I told his girlfriend, hello. Red rum, murder, it's all a nigga. Heard up, catch a nigga, slipping my butterflies, perfect. One down and a million to go. Look in my eyes before I take your soul.
Yes, I just love sex. Put a body in a pretzel, no suplex. Yelling who's next, so I get the duct tape. Yelling fuck rape at these black gates, and this shit don't seem straight. Yes, I just love sex. Put a body in a pretzel.